Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to put now playing status on Discord mobile. So let's begin. So here we are, and first let's open our Discord app right here. And once you open it, then I just go for don't allow right here. And the first thing that I want to do is that first is go click here or tap here on the three horizontal bars at the top left of our screen, and from here you want to go into options. So tap here at the bottom right here, and from here you want to go into set status right here. And just a heads up that the playing feature where Discord automatically detects whether you're playing a game or something, and it would automatically update into your status and people can see what you are playing or what you're doing, is only available for the PC version. That feature is not available for mobile, but the workaround here is to set a custom status right here. So from here you can set a custom status and you can just go type here. So example is you are listening to Spotify, so from here you can just go for type in listening to Spotify. You can just manually do this right here. That is just the hassle here in the mobile version, is that you have to do it yourself right here, and you can just put some custom emojis right here, and yeah, just like that, and hit on save, and then just like that you now have the status right here written on beside your name, and people can see it. And yeah, that's basically it, how you do it
If
in
you found this video
mobile.
helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.